Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. On offer we've got this 1974 MGB Roadster, finished in this striking metallic blue colour. Car's come to us from a local friend of ours who has fully restored the car. It's been back to bare metal on a spit. Every last little bit of welding that needed doing has been done to an exceptionally high standard. The gentleman who restored the car is a retired metal fabricator, so absolutely knows what he's doing, and I have to say the quality of the workmanship throughout is outstanding. Just give you a quick walk around the car. As you can see, panel fit is outstanding. The quality of the paintwork is extremely good as well. It really is an attractive colour that certainly suits the car. Sat on a set of new wire wheels, looks like new tyres as well. Full photographic history of the rebuild comes with the car, so there's a lot of history. Got period chrome boot rack fitted, which is useful for weekends away. As I say, the overall standard of the restoration is extremely high. Car drove really nicely on road test. The overdrive engages very well. It's got correct period vinyl seats. This basket weave is correct for the year of the car. Walnut style dashboard, nice motor litre wheel. Everything seems to be working fine. Excellent oil pressure. The car is fully warmed up. It's ticking over just over 60 psi, which is exactly where you'd expect it to be. Have a quick look in the boot. So fully carpeted, wire wheel spare, tonneau sticks there, isolator switch. I'll just pop the bonnet for you as well. Just gives you an idea of the quality of the restoration. So everything's been apart. Looks like a new loom as well. The hoses throughout. So overall, an extremely nicely restored MGB Roadster. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.